Hi, welcome to Wealth Mill Securities Weekly Market Wrap. It's a joy for me to come before you every week to share about market updates. Last week, markets witnessed a mixed rally, but the main activity in the markets is witnessed in mid and small cap stocks. There are many mid and small cap stocks, even ultra small cap stocks are witnessing a fabulous rally in the markets. Market is getting as usual as the market was getting the support from the global cues. It is also supporting. Last week also market was supported by the global cues, and Indian markets especially currently outperforming the broader indices and when compared to the emerging markets. What we believe is earlier there was a bull rally in US markets which started in the year 2010, and the rally is still continuing. Right now what we are going to witness in the days to come is the emerging markets, especially the markets like the BRICS and markets like India especially, they are going to outperform the developed markets when we have to do a comparison of the market performance. To give a brief perspective on the markets across the globe, they were trading all-time high, especially the US markets. S&P 500 on 14th February, it was trading at 3,374 level, and the US Nasdaq was trading at 9,712 level. While coming to the Indian markets were trading at the Sensex especially, it was trading at 41,258 level. This was on 14th of February, the beginning of this year. And on 20th March, where the COVID virus spread has been spreading across the globe, the COVID crisis have been accentuating around the globe. Within this span, from the low of 14th February and markets touched on 20th March, we have witnessed markets like S&P 500 correcting nearly 31%. It touched a low of 2,305. That means starting from 14th February and 20th March, within a span of 35 days, US market corrected nearly 31%. Whereas coming to the Indian markets, Indian Sensex got corrected nearly 27%. And this downfall in the market is considered historically one of the fastest and sharp correction in the market. From 23rd March, markets after touching the low, US markets rallied nearly 46%, the S&P 500. Whereas the Nasdaq, from the bottom of 20th March, the Nasdaq, the technology-led stocks, they rallied nearly 60%. Sensex, from the low of 29,916, Sensex risen nearly 26%. Still, the S&P 500 is right now, S&P 500 touched the all-time high of the previous high, which was recorded on 14th of Feb. Whereas coming to the Indian Sensex is still 10% down from the high of 14th February. So we can see some amount of catch-up rally in emerging markets. If I have to give the sectorial performance, the worst hit sector was the air transport. You all know, due to pandemic, the world is witnessed a complete lockdown and air travel is at complete pause. So the global aviation transport, the stocks in aviation sector witnessed a complete downfall, and the aviation as a sector across the globe came down nearly 32%. Oil and gas, it came down across the globe. As you all aware, during this period we witnessed oil futures hitting a negative price. We never witnessed oil hitting a negative price in the history of the mankind, we can say. In India also, the oil related sectors are underperforming. We have a significant position in Indian Oil Corporation, which is a oil marketing companies. We educate our investors to invest in this stock during the low prices of oil prices, because once the economy witnesses a complete ease of lockdown, there will be a significant demand that's going to come for the fuels. It can be the oil and petrol. So what we are going to see is once the economy peaks, the economy kickstarts the complete momentum, there will be a demand for oil marketing companies, and the profits of these companies in India, oil marketing companies are led by the public sector. So they can come across the inventory losses also. Altogether across the globe, oil marketing companies and the oil and gas sector down by 30%. And the sectoral performances, if you see, globally the software stocks, the technology stocks are outperforming. Globally the technology stocks have risen from a down, they rallied nearly 53%, and precious metals rallied nearly 47%. Retail online, we don't have any specific stocks in India, but globally US market, if you see, nearly these kind of stocks like Amazon and all, they rallied nearly 39%. In India, where we witnessed is a rally in pharma. There is a tremendous rally in pharma sector. The pharma sector index is up by 50% from the low of March 23rd. You can see the sectoral performance across the globe. Even in US, entertainment stocks are rallying. Of course, in India also, stocks like PVR and the online businesses, hotel stocks. We have been sharing our investors, once the stocks like Indian hotels, when it touched the rock bottom, we educated the investors to buy. Right now the Indian hotels rallied nearly 50%. Right now the stock is at 110 from a low of 40 rupees. It given 100% return to the investors. These kind of stock specific performances we are witnessing. While coming to the stock specific action, this week we would like to discuss about a company, about Bharat Seeds Limited. It's an associate company of Maruti Suzuki Limited. In this company, Maruti Suzuki holds 14% and Suzuki International holds 14%. Altogether in this company, Maruti and Suzuki combinedly holds around 28%. The rest of the shareholding is held by Sharada Motor Corporations, and the promoter holding in this stock is 72%. Bharat Seeds is the one of the key vendor for Maruti to supply seeds. They have the technology from Suzuki International and all the Maruti high-end cars, and even also the mid-sized segment cars. Their seeds are supplied by Bharat Seeds. And also, as it gives a comfort, there are couple of directors who are nominated by Suzuki International who are on the board of Bharat Seeds. So it's an associate company as per the records and as per the annual reports of Maruti Suzuki. We are pretty much confident about this company, even though it have a market capitalization of 200 crores. We are quite bullish about the fundamentals of this company, and as the Maruti sales goes up, Bharat Seeds is one of the key beneficiary of the growth of Maruti Suzuki Limited. This stock, we have been advocating all our investors to buy on dips this stock. The stock rallied last week rallied 40%. The stock rallies from 50 rupees to and now settled down at 75 rupees. We have been encouraging all our investors. These are the stocks, they will sleep for months, sometimes years, but once the rally starts, these are the stocks that are going to outperform the markets in the days to come. As we shared about stocks like FiberWeb last week, this week we are sharing at Bharat Seeds, and earlier we shared about a company by name Ester Industries. So these are the quality small cap companies backed by good fundamentals and with good managements. So whenever there is a dip in these kind of stocks, don't be hesitant. Price is the derivative of the market, but this price always not aligned with the net worth and not aligned with the fundamentals of the company. When there is a big difference and when there is a mismatch between the price and the fundamentals, that is the time to buy these kind of stocks. Bharat Seeds have been languishing, and nearly more than 10 months the stock has been between 40 to 50. Those people who invested in these stocks with a patience and with a long-term vision, this stock performed within a week nearly 40 to 45% rally and it given the returns to the investors. We believe there will be a still lot of steam is left, because right now we are witnessing a rally that started in auto sector. So auto ancillary stocks are going to get benefited in the days to come. If I have to tell about the market, how it's going to be, the $1 million question for investor fraternity is whether this rally sustains. Yes, after witnessing a fabulous rally of nearly 40% from the bottom, market can correct 5 to 10% with a reason or without a reason. That is inevitably. Despite of that, market can rally. What we are going to witness in the days to come is market is going to rally in a very tight range. We are seeing 11,300 for Nifty is a support level in the short term, and 11,000 is as a strong support level for the market in the short term. But the major gains are going to come in mid and small cap stocks, where the quality of the management is high, and also if there is a greater visibility of the earnings for those stocks, for those sectors are going to perform in the days to come. This is Kranti signing off. I pray for God's grace to be with you all. Thank you.